And welcome to a brand new episode of Stylish Rihayish. मैं हूँ आपकी host Ava, and today I'm standing in Karachi, Thailand, in the most unique house ever designed by the architect Ali Naqvi. So let's go और उनसे बात करते हैं, उनसे पूछते हैं कि इतना बड़ा घर बनाने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है और उन्होंने ओनर्स की ख्वाहिशों को कैसे इस घर के डिज़ाइन में इंकॉर्पोरेट किया है. So let's go talk to him, shall we? Wow, such a beautiful grand entrance in the chandelier, and then oh wow, the pool also can be seen. This is amazing. इतना खूबसूरत ग्रैंड एंट्रेंस तो आपने क्या सोच के बनाया है? What was the theme?
It's a good question. Basically, I think it has a lot to do with the clients. कि कुछ clients की requirements होती हैं, कुछ client की लाइफस्टाइल है जिसको मद्देनज़र रखते हुए इस तरह की एक स्पेस क्रिएट की गई थी जहाँ पर घर का मेन फोकस भी हो वहाँ पर, और जब आप घर में दाखिल हों तो एक इम्प्रेशन जो हम कास्ट ओपननेस का करना चाह रहे थे और इंडोर स्पेसेस को आउटडोर स्पेसेस के साथ we wanted a very good strong connection.
That is definitely there. Thanks to this glass. It's beautiful.
Yes, it's a nice big glass over there. So when you enter the house, you are not only in a double height space, but you can see all the way out, and they had a swimming pool which was in the center of the house. So if you'll notice when we'll show you more of the house, you will see that the pool is really being focused on from all the spaces around the house. And they have visuals of the pool from all sides of the house. Different types of spaces and how you move from one space to the other, and what sort of a feeling we wanted this house to cater, because your clients की need है जिसमें उनकी कुछ इंटरटेनमेंट के हिस्से हैं घर के, कुछ प्राइवेट हिस्से हैं घर के। तो उन सब को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए वो कहीं पे ग्रैंड किया है, किसी जगह को वार्मथ में दिया है, किसी जगह कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस जो हैं वो जनरली बेज टोन्स में ज़्यादा रखे गए हैं, उसको एक्सटेंड किया है कहीं वॉलपेपर्स के साथ। सो ईच स्पेस हैज़ बीन कैरिड with its own theme and with but continuity with the basic idea. So that's
तो
basic.
let's go
जी
और
ज़रूर,
ज़्यादा
let's
घर देखते
we'll
हैं।
show you the drawing room.
Very excited to see the rest of the
ज़रूर
house.
ज़रूर।
Oh, this is beautiful drawing rooms. इतना different color combination मैंने कभी भी नहीं देखा हुआ पहले।
Gee, this is a pretty interesting combination and a lot of attention given to what we wanted to see from the drawing room space.
Okay.
Because they didn't want a standard typical drawing room. We wanted views from the drawing room for the front lawn, from where you could see the front lawns, the driveway, the fountain in the front. Plus the view of the pool side was equally important, yet not compromising on the privacy of the other areas of the house. So
एक चीज़ जो बहुत अच्छी है कि नेचर को
जी
into the house incorporate
जी,
करना।
that's been a basic theme, and you'll go to almost every room. This feature you'll see. As a matter of fact, one of my colleagues, Sarah Saifi, who was the project architect on this,
Okay.
so she's very conscious of this fact. All over the design, you'll see that the external spaces have been very well integrated with the internal and external spaces have been really looked into very carefully from spot to spot.
Oh, and I see that there's another drawing room. It looks like the day and the night. So
It's again the way the clients, they wanted a space where they could have a more smaller intimate area
Okay.
where they could entertain 3 to 4 people on a smaller level and yet have a bigger space
Yeah.
of this magnitude for a regular thing. So I will show you. And both rooms are done on a fairly different finishes, because this is all marble,
Yeah, this is marble.
and on lighter colors, and if you see, it's all very pastel look. However, we wanted warmth in this room, so there's a carpet on nice dark wooden floors. The wallpaper selected is also a very unique wallpaper.
यूजुअली पाकिस्तान के घरों में हम लोग वुडन पैनलिंग एंड वुडन वॉल्स नहीं देखते हैं आजकल, तो व्हाई इज दैट? व्हाई डू यू थिंक द ट्रेंड इज चेंजिंग टुवर्ड्स मार्बल एंड मोर एस्थेटिक?
I think it has a lot to do with financials, probably, because wood is very expensive to use,
अच्छा.
especially good quality solid wood.
Okay.
But things are changing because now we have a lot of laminated things available. So I think you'll probably see more of it. But some of these things, like those panelings, are not very expensive because those moldings are made out of Lasani wood, which is probably the cheapest MDF you can get.
Okay, that's
So,
great.
so a lot of these things can be achieved. But if it's just a matter of how much attention to detail you're giving. We had not only Sarah was involved with us, but we had an interior designer also working with us, Maha Mirza, and there are a lot of contributions by her. And my clients themselves, they were very, very well oriented to what kind of a look they wanted, what kind of a feel they wanted in each room. So there is a lot of, in each house there is a lot of client, because after all this is their space,
Of course.
and this is their lifestyle, so there is a lot of input by them of what exactly they were looking for, and mashallah, I think we are very happy that
Yes, yes.
they are happy with what they eventually got.
I'm sure. I mean, I love this house completely till now. So shall we go and see?
Gee,
the
we'll
dining
show
room
you
that you're
towards the
talking about?
dining room side and the stair foyer and other things.
Okay.
Aye.
मैं देख रहा है कि घर में हर जगह, हर कमरे के अंदर एक अलग डिज़ाइन की मार्बल फ्लोरिंग है, तो ये कोई थीम आपने फॉलो की है हर घर कमरे के लिए?
जी मतलब अलग अलग मार्बल फ्लोरिंग नहीं है. मार्बल हमारे यहाँ बेसिकली बेज स्टोन्स पे ही हैं. वीव यूज क्रीमा मार्फिल एज द मेन फ्लोरिंग और उसको हमने एम्पेराडो ब्राउन के बॉर्डर्स दिए हुए और उसके साथ थोड़ा सा कॉम्बिनेशन जैसे फोयर में आपने देखा था वो चेकेड फ्लोरिंग जो है वो सर्पेजेंट एंड क्रीमा मार्फिल का स्पेशल चेकेड फ्लोरिंग की थी. देन वी गॉट सम स्पेशलाइज्ड मार्बल टाइल्स मेड which you'll see in the lounges and other areas. So the flooring is the same marble, but patterns are different depending on the spaces themselves.
And I see a very nice toned wallpaper being used for the dining room. So that brings a lot of light into the room somehow.
Gee, I think that's a very good observation, and yes, there has been a lot of thought which has gone into this room also. As I was mentioning that we wanted the external spaces to penetrate as much as possible into the interiors of the house. That's why you notice there are no doors on the dining room walls on both sides, and that gives an open feeling to the house. You don't use the dining rooms so frequently. You use the maximum for 2 to 3 hours a day.
That's true.
So but we wanted कि वो अगर बंद कर देते तो फिर वो सारा external view हमारे हाथ से जा रहा. And to further enhance the dining room sizes, we have complete mirrored, beveled mirrored glasses on the rear side, so you never feel that you're in an enclosed room. People sitting on this side, they get the views of the pool. People sitting on the head can really see the reflections of the mirror, and obviously where we're standing you see the entire stair hallway. So the room, and they do entertain a lot. So this can become a free space where people can come, have a buffet, move on to this side of the house or the other sides. So it works with the way the functionality of the house works. आइए आपको ऊपर दिखाते हैं.
Yes, sure.
We actually have the house is designed in such a way that it has 3 independent portions within the same skin. There is a daughter's portion in the house, then there is a son's portion. But if you look at it from outside, it's all one.
Yeah, it looks like a big house.
And they are very well connected, and at the same time, they're all independent and separate from each other. I will take you upstairs towards the daughter's section.
So this is a new section.
Gee, this would be another section by itself, which is for their daughter.
Okay. Oh, there's a skylight over here.
Gee, actually on the first floors we usually have quite a bit of skylights. We're worried that they might leak, but we do provide quite a few skylights in houses because that's a very good way of getting natural light into spaces which don't have direct light. This is more like an independent section. She can come in from this door, and this is a completely private apartment, if you may want to call it, or a separate unit, which is very well connected from both sides of the house. She can bring her guests alone from here. She has a possibility of having 2 bedrooms. That's her bedroom over here, with a nice wooden floor and a private room to herself. Then she has a sitting area over here with her own television and a nice view to the terrace outside. We have indirect lighting behind this television panel, and then we have a small dinette and a breakfast area for her, which is supported by the maid's area and the utility, which is behind that door side. The corner windows, again, if we open them up, you do actually get the view of the lawn side all the way. So
again, incorporating nature into it. That's great. That's absolutely fantastic. Or I see
you have the views of all the lawn vistas directly from here, and they have a beautiful terrace on which they come out in the evenings. They have a lot of parties here, and so they have. This is the common area between the brother and the sister. So that's where they come, and it's more. And they are almost about the same age, so same type of friends.
Of course.
So their socializing is more in these areas now.
So shall we move on?
Gee, we'll now take you towards the brother's portion or the son's portion, which is actually, he's now a full family member, unki puri family, wife and children. So we'll move to the second portion. Aye. we are moving into Meer's portion, into the son's portion, and this is quite an interesting glass bridge.
I know.
And it is again intentional because again we wanted to play with the volumes of the space. And this is the lounge space, and from the lounge we are moving towards the master bedroom, and his main living spaces and entertainment spaces are on the floor below. And from here again, as I was discussing, you can see the pool side, the terrace we were talking about. So that would be the daughter's portion and the main entrance to the house. And if you remember what I said in the beginning, that we did want the swimming pool area to be the focus of the house and the center of the house. There's a very specialized pattern which we had done for the pool. The pool has beautiful waterfalls. The jacuzzi from one side throws the water in, and then we have these water spouts which are actually doing the same thing. There is a lot of details in the house which have been done, and I think they are very nicely lit up at night time because all the moldings have these pipe lights on them, and they really make very good subtle light effect all over the house.
So shall we go down? I'm scared to open this.
Maybe this is solid glass and there's no problem. You can jump on it.
No, it's fine. I'm okay.
Hi. So we are now in the son's portion, and as I told you, that this is a completely different style of architecture and how we have approached this. He's young, he's married, but again, he wanted a lot of entertainment spaces and far more open, and volumes were very important, and interaction with various spaces in this area, and there's no formal spaces. So right now, even now, we are sitting in the dining space.
This is his dining room?
This is the dining space, or the area where they do take meals. This overlooks the swimming pool side. It's got a complete glass wall, the light on the other side, and their basement, the staircase leads towards their basement. And it is a formal sitting area, and this is the main entrance from where the son enters his unit. So if you wish, we'll take you down to the basement where the main activities happen, and they've got a small home theater in there, a small jacuzzi, a pool table, and other activities.
All right.
And shall we?
So shall I?
Please. So we're just coming into the basement area. Here again, the flooring was done in a checkered manner, but again in a different style. You see, there's a combination of white and black checkered flooring, which goes all the way across onto the basement floor. And they have basic entertainment area. So they have their pool area, they have a bridge table, they have a designated entertainment area, they have a movie theater, they have indoor jacuzzi within the house.
Okay, this is unique.
And they have some steam rooms and some other backup facilities, changing rooms and all that onto that side of the house. So we'll take you towards the movie room and the other spaces.